this very big box from GIG. I'm not sure who it's from, but I think it's Dettol. Because Dettol was supposed to send me a package.
Wow!
Wow!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Wow!
Wow! Look, can you let me do my video? Come.
It's just cheese.
Say cheese. Yeah, wear your trouser. Yeah. So as I was saying, I think the package is from Dettol. Oh, it's Dettol! It's Dettol! Oh my god. Bro, it's so crazy that I'm working with Dettol. Because I've been using Dettol like literally all my life. I still even use Dettol because I feel like my body is not clean if I don't use Dettol. But I got this big. They wrote my name. Oh my god. It has my name. Dear, I am Fisayo. Enclosed in this box are formulated blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm too lazy to read all that. It has my name on it. You hold it all? That's so crazy. Update Snapchat. By the way, I have a shoot for Valentine tomorrow. Oh, I love the fact that I'm getting busy again because I've been so less busy the past few months. The whole of January, I was literally in my house. So February, I'm trying to be outside and be shooting back to back to back. So tomorrow, I have a Valentine shoot. Anyways, they sent me a towel. I really needed this. Oh, they need a diffuser. I think, oh, there's still another layer. Stop. Then a scented candle and this oil. Oh, that's so cute.
Scary you. What's that?
What's that?
What's it? Siba, pepper.
Wow. What's that?
She want a baby shark.
I think saying welcome back to my channel is so corny these days. I don't know why. It just feels very weird. Oh, if you're wondering, I'm at my friend's apartment. My friend Tiana owns this shortlet company. And this place is really, really beautiful. I've not arranged my things yet, so I'm not going to show you how messy the room is. I'm trying to shoot an advert for Dettol. Yes, Dettol sent me a package. I think I showed you that already. But yeah, I'm trying to shoot an advert for Dettol. Ooh, I didn't know sun comes in through here. Okay. Yeah, I already shot the first video, so I'm trying to shoot the second one before Gel and Fresh come. Because when they come, I'm going to get distracted and I'll probably not shoot this thing today. And my deadline is today. I know you might want to watch me for a while, so it's fine. It's fine.
Just like the sun lights up the earth, you light up my life.
Definitely want to be. So you definitely don't.
The only one I've ever seen with a smile so bright.
I'm done shooting the content now, and Victor is here, by the way. They were missing me too much. They just had to come again, and I get it. It's fine. Victor is doing the finishing touches on the video.
Not like I would want to.
But you're doing it, Sha. We're about to shoot another content now with Jeho for like a Valentine tea. I'm supposed to do my makeup. I already went to get snacks for the fridge. Cute banana, apples, cute stuff. Now I'm about to do my makeup, and Victor is so bored and he's missing me so much that he wants me to come and do my makeup outside. So I'm just going to pity him and go and do my makeup outside. I have this cute bag that Mark sent me. Yeah, Mark sent me the bag. Mark. And somebody is connecting to our speaker and they are playing Shali Poppy.
You lot should mix your head together. Where can I get a suit, fam?
Russell Solomon.
Oh, go. Red suit.
Oh, God. Oh, head ready. Oh, my.
I just been lost
Can
in
you
brain.
imagine?
Knowledge the key.
I swear, if they tell me what is he wearing, I can say suit. Who's laughing with you?
Tell her again, bro.
Who's laughing with you?
Tell her again, bro.
Daniel, go away. I don't know what you want from me.
Tell me no win this cat, nigga can't even see me on win this cat. She fight a flight, nigga win this cat. She fight a flight, man, on way out of here. She fight a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dawn, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag out of beach, I'm
Going to wear my suit. Then it's the same thing happening in
her own side.
her own side, but it's going to be
Sink.
Do you understand? Then we'll come. Then we'll come. Then we'll come.
You know.
It's the way I actually understand what you're saying.
You get it, David?
Yeah.
Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I've been out of the sewer.
Let me know when you're
Since
ready.
we do that, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, I'm just gonna empty shit. Bitch, breaking niggas, look at the
Joe is trying to do something romantic for me.
Mama, you use yourself now. Guys, it's 1 a.m. See what
Because I
we're
want
still
to turn
doing.
up. I want to go and dance.
Me
I
trying
would
to
not
rest
spray that
beside
money.
Now me they do the arrangement. Very useless boyfriend.
Bro, they arrange.
I
Time
cannot
to
charge
for this one. They arrange them.
pay me 800k, pay my fly, pay out
I don't cook. I don't cook.
Chris.
I got this.
Want to come.
Got this man on the cup.
I rather carry to. She's like, oh my goodness, the pictures I took of them was so
My
nice.
heart
She wants
beats.
me to snap.
My heart beats for you, mama.
Keep it inside the nylon drum.
My heart beats for you, quinceañera.
Let's pray that dress doesn't rip again.
Wait, which? Oh yeah, yeah.
No, my zip is trying to act funny.
Alright, guys, the drip. Alright, guys, the drip check. Alright, guys, the drip check team. Now,
You guys saw the evidence. Abusive man.
You guys check.
I'm tired of being silent. I'm going to come out.
Yeah.
I don't want to be silent anymore.
I've always known,
I've-
honestly.
Yes, you always used to beat me.
Is that why
every
you
day.
chose red?
Yes,
Violet.
because he likes to see blood.
Go fund me link down in the description. Like drip check. Shout out Ugo. I had to go and get this suit late, like around 11 p.m. I had to go and run to go and get this suit. But this guys,
Shout
you
out
guys,
to Mazi, old money.
old money took me there. To and fro. Are you guys saying this thing? You don't check them.
Na taekwondo move.
Post them. You don't see them.
Snapper.
And you guys will see me wearing this thing a lot. Check it out. Check it out.
You will
Check
see
it
me.
out.
So how much the whole outfit cost?
I'm not going to lie, this is in dollars. I think the last time I saw the price on this suit was $500. The Rossi Solomon is actually expensive, but it's worth it.
How about your shoes?
As for the shoes, I would have loved to tell you guys the price of the shoes, but you guys rush the shoe, so please, it's priceless. So rings,
It's
222. Shout out 222. We got the smiley one, we got the ace, and we got the love rings.
It's called Enso.
Then obviously my favorite 222 chain. Shout out 222. Go shop 222 actually, guys. Link down in the description. Make sure chop, please. F hard.
So what's your favorite part in content creating?
Favorite part in content creating is really having fun with friends. To be honest, people take content creating too serious. It's all about your vibe and your personality and people around you. Not too serious.
Sorry, what do you have to
It's
say?
all because of me. It's all me.
So you're the
what
special
you
juice.
Yes.
have friends.
Yeah, no, that's the fun part for me too. Like every
Good
single
sense
person.
of humor type friends.
Yeah.
Good working environment.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's
Beautiful.
nothing is forced.
It's not everybody that can shoot by this time. We're not all friends who cannot do this.
So are you trying to say she's using us to her advantage?
Yes, I'm using all of
Free
you.
labor.
Yes.
My dog. My nigga.
She's my dog. She's my dog.
Yeah, tomorrow we're doing $1 billion money routine. It's 1 a.m. and we're still waking up by 5.
Yes, man. If they say billionaires, they sleep by this time.
I lie, a billionaire where I
Nah.
know they sleep.
1:51 was already 2 a.m.
Ah,
No.
That's
I
3
still
hours
I still need to
sleep.
flog during FIFA.
bro, no one is flogging me on FIFA.
Me, immediately we're done with this thing, I'm going to sleep. Oh.
Are you serious?
I ain't doing
Me, I
that.
dey up, oh.
No, I need to have my beauty sleep.
Yo, don't go take that black coffee.
Welcome guys, good morning. The time is 9:21, but we're supposed to wake up by 5 a.m. But let me explain. We slept by 3 a.m. because well, actually like 4. We slept by like 3-4 a.m. because we were shooting last night. So you can't really expect us to wake up by 5. So if you calculate it based on the statistics, we still slept the number of hours a billionaire will sleep. Because right now I still feel a little bit sleepy, but I had to get up for this video. So let's just imagine that the time is 5 a.m. but it's currently 9:22. So yeah, today we're going to be doing the billionaire morning routine. We're going to wake up, go to the gym, and kickstart our day. So I saw this routine on YouTube that, you know, they say billionaires do, and I'm trying to be a billionaire. So I'm trying to emulate that and see if I can incorporate it in my daily routine. But that waking up by 5 a.m. is going to be hard, because usually I wake up by 8. If I wake up early, let's say 7. But most days I wake up by 8. Yeah, let's just imagine I woke up by 5. I'm so pissed that I did not sleep early yesterday. I would have actually woken up by 5, so it will feel very natural. But yeah, so now I'm going to do my bed and we're going to head to the gym. I've not been to the gym in a year, and even the time I went to the gym last year, I only went for like 1 week or 2 weeks. So I am 110% unfit. I don't even know what that gym is going to do to me this morning. I just hope I don't pass out, because even when I climb staircase, I'm panting. So yeah, we're about to go to the gym. I already did my devotion, by the way. I did not get that on camera, so maybe I'll just do a little montage and act like I'm doing my devotion. I forgot about gym shoes. But that gym, I'll go to that gym this morning. That's how billionaires do. I'm gonna meet Joe. See, I came prepared though. Full gym fit. Let's go.
Teo Hernandez.
What if these PS5 people are just using your destinies?
Rodrigo.
That means I don't get destiny again.
Playing it back.
You are wearing slides.
I don't get shoe. I forgot about gym shoe. I have one Air Force One. Should I wear it?
Yeah, it's better. You can't wear slides.
Okay, let me wear my Air Force One.
It's quite my
They
hand.
fully deserve their victory today.
Wearing Air Force Ones to the gym.
Yeah, no.
Is that bad?
It's not the ideal shoe for gym, but it can fly.
But I don't have any other shoe. We use them like that.
That's just a treadmill.
You can still use plenty.
Yeah. It's a flare.
One lady at the reception just pissed me off for no reason. I could just vex, go and fight her downstairs. Rubbish. This place is so hot. But anyways, we're here.
They're gonna let you not chop food now. Now you quite carry your community.
And this ball I want you to stretch.
Now this ball I want you to stretch. I'm gonna stretch your skull, bro.
Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet, and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some gas and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these reckons too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga, it's like getting low. I spent time on the rest on the level.
Say this thing will not give me money.
Now, something where you know go do after 50 years again.
How many did you put in? Jesus.
Now pay for it.
Yeah. See the games.
Gerald,
Yes, sir.
can you help me go to that camera? Green. See
Per.
where I'm sitting there.
Per.
Focus it.
Focus it on here.
I bought you guys skincare. I'll use my skincare on you. Then I'll give you sheet masks.
Is that skincare that made me follow you to the gym?
Say, oh! Ah! Suicide, because it's over there.
So guys, after the gym, Jeho is about to do skincare. That's how billionaires do, innit?
Do skincare.
Yes, now.
Or help each other do skincare. I'm tired.
I mean, I'm not tired. Do you know the work I put in at the gym?
What work did you put in the gym? We actually tried though.
Yes, now.
Yeah, this thing's about to finish. Your snail
Mucin.
radiance.
You see, and I'm using it for you. It's kind of love.
What? But what's with girls and wanting to do skincare for niggas, bro? That's one thing I'll never understand. What's the excitement? Smolly, she's sure she has to climb on top of
Let
this.
me put it there.
I didn't mean.
Don't let me fall for this.
I didn't mean.
I didn't mean, like, oh my god, now I was just this idiot.
And now my how's it going on? You say everyone knows her in that street. You want the wrong town.
Hey, I wanted to record with my phone.
It's content and it's a long thing, you know. Okay, this one sticks well, but.
Two views.
Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody knows me like you do. Hello, how far? Oh, that's so cute. You guys, this billionaire lifestyle is sweet though. I would like just get this kind of house and chef that will just make this food for me every day.
I don't think I'll have a chef.
Shut up your mouth.
I won't
Yeah, I
have
would
a
love
chef.
to have a chef. I will have a chef.
My children should be able to cook.
They will be. Now every day chef go their house.
Bro, on your airdrop.
I'm about to try ramen for the first time tonight after Jeho cooks. When I'm hungry later in the night, I'll now try my ramen for the first time. Yo, you guys.
Let me see.
See how orange it is.
Man.
Like it is so orange and it's sweet. This is cheese balls.
Last time I tasted cheese balls like this was in primary school.
Primary school, I swear.
Facts.
Oh,
Facts.
I'm going to buy like 50. I'm not playing.
But don't buy the big one. The big one is
That
fast,
small,
that's
that
the
small one.
You already know the cheese ball rules.
Wow. Do I look like Jeho?
Check mic. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
You only thought that I ever knew. I get my bitch pregnant, I'ma be a better you. All the things that I made way back in the bill. Fulfilled. Damn hoes. Damn niggas can't tell the difference. One time, don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her.